Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. I found this 2-tier shelf at the dollar store and couldn't wait to try it out. Join me as I set it up and see what we can create with it. Let's jump right in. And there we have it. The 2-tier shelf is all set up and ready to use. I love how simple yet elegant it looks, and it's perfect for displaying decor, organizing small items, or adding a stylish touch to any space. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more DIY and decorating ideas. See you in the next video.